Secret reveal to a soft and fluffy bread. Have you ever followed baking tutorials to the letter, only to end up with bread that's hard as a rock? Just like this hard, it is so frustrating, right? After how many hours of preparation, you follow all the ingredients and still end up just like you are a loser. I've been there before, using all the ingredients from YouTube recipes, and still, it never turns out soft. This time, discover the secret ingredient YouTubers don't reveal. After many trials, I finally discovered the secret ingredient that makes bread incredibly soft and fluffy. Something most YouTubers don't tell you. Welcome to FLour&Flame channel. Real tips for perfect baking and for perfect cooking recipes. I will share to you the real tips and secrets for baking perfect bread and more. For this recipe, you'll need 3 cups, 360 grams, of bread flour or all-purpose flour if needed. Instant yeast, 2 teaspoons, 6 grams, or 2 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Balances flavor and extends freshness. Salt, 1 teaspoon, 6 grams. Warm milk, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, about 38 to 40 degrees Celsius, 100 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons, 45 grams, softened. And here's the secret ingredient. 3 tablespoons of honey, which makes the bread super soft. Yes, you heard it right. 3 tablespoons of honey. Now let's start. Step 1. Activate the yeast. Mix warm milk, honey, and yeast in a bowl. Let it sit 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. Step 2. Make the dough. Add butter and salt to the yeast mixture. Gradually mix in the flour, 1 cup at a time. Knead by hand, 8 to 10 minutes, or mixer, 6 to 8 minutes, until smooth and slightly tacky. Step 3. Shape dough into a ball. Step 4. Place the dough in a lightly greased bowl. Cover it, and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until doubled in size. Step 5. Once risen, punch down the dough and shape it into a loaf or rolls. Place on a greased baking tray. Step 6. Let the shaped dough rest for another 30 to 45 minutes for a second rise. Step 7. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes, until golden brown. And here it is. Soft, fluffy, and perfect bread that everyone will love. The secret ingredient really makes a difference. What's in honey? Natural sugars, mostly fructose and glucose, about 70 to 80% of honey. Water around 17 to 20%, which adds moisture to dough. Acids, small amounts, like gluconic acid, that slightly lower dough pH, improving shelf life. Enzymes, like amylase, which helps break down starches into simpler sugars. Minerals and trace compounds, potassium, calcium, and antioxidants, not a huge role in softness, but good for health. How honey softens bread? It attracts and retains moisture. Honey is hygroscopic. It pulls water from the air and holds it in the bread. This means your loaf stays soft and moist for days instead of drying out quickly. Feeds the yeast. Honey's sugars are easier for yeast to consume than plain table sugar, helping fermentation and making a finer, softer crumb. Slow staling. The sugar in honey interferes with starch retrogradation, the process that makes bread go hard. Result: bread stays fresh longer. tenderizes the dough. Sugar in honey weakens gluten strands just enough to make the bread more tender without collapsing it. That is all for now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and share for more secret recipes you won't find anywhere else. See you in the next video. Soft and fluffy bread recipe, Tangshong method. I add below description the ingredients and instruction.